This is Baby P, and I'll show you how to make a DIY bird sock. Okay, you can stop that now. Bo, stop! Okay, now you're going to need a sock. A blue bow, or do you want to have a different sock? And a whole bunch of this plushing to make one of these. Oh wait, and a pen for the eyes and the mouth and the tail and the wings and the feet. Okay, let's get ready. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see my face. Okay. Now, Bo, you're going to be holding the camera. You see right here? Okay, you'll hold that piece now. Okay. Now, where did I just put that sock? There it is. See? We put the plush in one at a time. Like this. Get some long pieces if you want to, so you can make it fat. So yeah, that's how you're gonna make it. So yeah, wait a long time. You can skip to this. You can skip this part if you really want to. But I'm just stuffing the sock now. I don't really think this is not that much hard to do. You can skip this part if you want to. Just, Bo, you're still holding the camera. I feel like we're going to have to get some more. Let's stuff that in there. That whole piece. Okay. 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 Sorry about that. Now this last part is stuffing right here. Okay? We do it like that. So you might want to move this stuffing around in it. Like this. You can sew if you want to, but this, oh geez. Now this is the part where it gets really frustrating. Where you have to make it round to make it like this. Well, it's not really round, just like that. Yeah. So you gotta make it real round to make it a bird. Comment down below which bird you want us to be, because I have no idea what birds are gray. Okay, let's get this bow now, then put it around this part. Then you do this. You put it like that if you want to. And if you have any of these, just use it. And then you put the eyes like that. If you really want to do it like that. Do the beak. Then do the wings. Do the other wing. Double loop it. Do this. Oh. There. And now you gotta start rounding it up again. And it's gotta be fluffy. And that's how you make one. So oh wait, gotta remake the foot a little bit. So that map is coming up, just trying to work on it. It takes about an hour to do. Well, not the DIY. Just takes about like minutes. So yeah, there we go. There's two of them now. See you guys later.